Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Whether you're a newcomer or a returning viewer, thank you for joining us on this unique journey. We have done things a little different here. Instead of the traditional approach of producing videos, building and customizing the Jeep, then showing the Jeep out being used, I filmed all that and then threw it in the vault, and jumped right into showing you the Jeep on the trails to showcase the real action. Now that you've gotten to know the Jeep through those thrilling trail adventures, we're circling back to delve into the intricate details of the entire build. This series is designed to provide you with insights that can be invaluable for your own build decisions, whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just starting out in the world of off-roading. I hope the content proves to be both informative and entertaining. Let's dive into the heart of the build and explore the craftsmanship behind the scenes. If you've already been following along, welcome back. And for those of you just joining, buckle up for an exciting ride through the world of Jeep building. But don't worry, the excitement doesn't end here. Amidst the detailed exploration of this Jeep build, expect a plethora of trail rides and thrilling obstacles to keep you on the edge of your seat. We're also spicing things up with upgrades and fabrication for some other vehicles in the lineup. Stay tuned for a sneak peek into a couple major projects on the horizon. A rugged yet lightweight hard-sided rooftop tent, and a custom toy hauler geared to enhance our adventures on the road. Yet, at the core of it all, my love for the outdoors, particularly the majestic Rocky Mountains, remains the driving force. Anticipate a steady stream of videos capturing the breathtaking landscapes and exhilarating experiences amidst nature's wonders. So stay tuned for not only the nitty-gritty of vehicle craftsmanship, but also the sheer joy of exploration of the great outdoors. There's a lot more in store, and I can't wait to share these upcoming adventures with you. The best way to guarantee that you don't miss a thing is to subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications when the next installment drops. The current star of the show is the Rubicone. I first bought this as a wreck in 2000. Like all Jeeps, it didn't stay stock long, and I went up to 36 IROCs and a Dana 30 and 8 1/4. It was in my shop for upgrades when I had a compressor catch fire and burned my shop to the ground. Here it is sitting on the lawn after being pulled out. This sparked a journey to rebuild it bigger, better, and faster. Well, technically not faster, but definitely bigger and better. In 2011, it had outgrown all the local trails, so I sold it to purchase a similar Jeep, again, but smaller, an Inca Gold Rubicone that I did basically stock suspension, 35 crawlers, and a flat skid with no lift. Boy, did I love that Jeep also. But I moved out west where everything was bigger, and I missed my old Jeep, so I bought it back in a terrible state and spent the winter rebuilding it. As you can see, there's a lot of work put into this Jeep. I have touched almost every part of it, trying to keep it as simple as possible, but not sacrifice capability. The rebuild videos will attempt to detail all the modifications. It's locked on 42s with 4.5 inches of lift, onboard air, and of course I had to paint it Inca Gold again. This is our Project Jeep Rhubarb. It's going to be our full-on overlanding build, albeit a lot smaller than most. It's also going to be home to a hard-sided rooftop tent and a lot of other unique options to make camping in it a breeze, but still extremely capable off-road. At first glance, this trailer might seem like a disaster, but trust me, we've stripped it down to its core, and what's coming next is nothing short of amazing. Get ready for the ultimate off-grid toy hauler experience. I can't wait to see the final reveal. It's going to be epic. And coming in just ahead of this video release, and the reason for its delay, we've been busy picking up another thrilling project. Say hello to Brute. Initially an LJ, but get ready for some major upgrades. A smaller cab, a sleeker box, Rubicone drivetrain, and possibly even a Highline kit. As the only Jeep more coveted than an LJ, this transformation is going to be legendary. Plus, the spare parts are going straight onto RubiClone, turning it into an LJ done the right way. And there you have it, the glimpse into the future of bigger, better, faster. Brace yourself for harder trails, more epic overlanding, and some downright crazy builds. So join us on this journey. It's going to be one heck of a ride.